Welcome to 2628 Windy Drive. This nicely updated 4-bedroom, 1 full bath home with a 1-car carport, covered front porch, an updated interior, luxury vinyl plank, hardwood flooring, as well as updated kitchen and bath. It's located in the Starlite neighborhood in near downtown Columbia, as well as southeast Columbia, sort of in between. It's convenient to I-77, UofSC in downtown, as well as the southeast. So we're outside. You can see the driveway coming up. We're underneath the carport now, and there is a storage room that's attached. I'm not sure if you can quite see in there, but you do have a nice size storage room, utility room on the outside. And then you have a breezeway here that connects to the backyard. So you have some mature trees out back that does wrap around to here as well. And then we'll go back around to the front. So around the front porch here, you can see a small covered front porch, and then you enter through the front door. Put around that way first because the access to the backyard is off the kitchen, which is under that carport anyway, so it would have taken us that same way. So now we're inside the home. You notice the beautiful luxury vinyl plank hardwood look flooring that is in the living room. I believe it continues into the kitchen. So basically the main areas of the home, with the exception of the bedroom and the bedrooms and the bathroom. So you enter into the living room with the ceiling fan. You have a coat closet in the back left corner there. And then you can see the kitchen peeking out on the right. That's on down the hall to where the bedrooms are. But of course the kitchen has the flooring continued, updated with white cabinets and white quartz countertops. You have some crown molding in here as well, and included stainless steel appliances. There's a smooth top electric range and refrigerator, eat-in dining area over here on this side, and then also a laundry closet, full-size laundry closet inside the house. Sometimes these older homes will have them out in the carport in that utility room, so this is nice to have it inside the home itself. And that's that door that accesses the carport there. So we'll continue on down the hall. So you have an attic pull down here in the center. There may be some storage up there. 4 bedrooms off of the hall. As you can see, those are carpeted. And you can see the closet in the corner here. And across the hall, bedroom number 2. They're pretty decent size as well for them to be 4 of them. And that second closet. Then you have the full bathroom here. So as you can see, updated cabinet and countertops to match the kitchen, and the flooring continues into there also. And then you have a tiled shower and tub back here, and a window as well. Linen closet opposite the bathroom. And then your 2 additional bedrooms at the back. One with the ceiling fan here. And then you have the half bath as well in this bathroom that matches. And then of course the closet there. And last but not least, this back bedroom in the corner. So that completes our tour of this home. Again, 2628 Windy Drive in Columbia. You can find more information online at turnerproperties.com.